How to access Salesforce employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access Salesforce employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Salesforce login, then hit enter. Click on the first link that appears on your screen. On the login page, enter your Salesforce username and password. These are typically provided by your company. After entering your details, click on the login button to access your employee portal. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, follow the prompt to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will see Salesforce dashboard. From here, you can access various employee resources and tools, and that's it. You are now logged in into your Salesforce employee portal. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.